compass to Zafaria. Rayan and Aisha climb into the sweltering attic with Professor Cha-Cha-Ji. Rayan sneezes and jokes about a spider hotel in the attic. Cha-Cha-Ji smiles, insisting knowledge is the real treasure. Aisha discovers a small carved wooden box under old fabrics. Inside the box, a faintly glowing rusty compass catches the light. Moti the parrot warns them not to touch it, cawing dramatically. Rayan jokes that this is better than Netflix and reaches forward. Cha-Cha-Ji hesitates, adjusting his glasses as the air feels charged. Rayan touches the compass, and the attic begins to tremble. A swirling map looms in midair, revealing the name Zafaria. Moti declares, it's the adventure of their lives. No refunds. Rayan and Aisha share a look of fear and thrill, ready for Zafaria. The loose compass of Zafaria. They shoulder packs and step onto the sunlit trail with a loud parrot. Cha-Cha-Ji checks gear. Moti fusses with the walkie-talkies. They enter towering trees. The light turns cold and the air hushes. Why is it called whispering? Aisha asks under her breath. Faces tilt up. The trees answer with teasing gossip. Rayan bursts into laughter about aunties. The parrot flaps wildly. The trees grow solemn. They warn of a man with no shadow. In Aisha's palm, the compass needle begins to whirl. Night by the river. Campfire glows, stars sharp above black water. A tall figure in black robes emerges, eyes glow a deep red. Rayan hides the compass behind his back, defiant and grinning. Smoke swallows the figure. Cha-Cha-Ji and Moti trade worried looks. Riddles of the river, mirrors of the mind. They arrive at a river shimmering like liquid glass at daylight. Answer truthfully or sink. The river asks, what is heavier, the truth or a lie? Rayan jokes that lies pile up like his homework. The river approves. The river asks what people treasure but waste the most. She answers, time. The river glitters and allows her to pass. It asks Cha-Cha-Ji, what is the greatest library? He answers, the mind. The river calms and bears his weight. Moti squawks, unsure. The river asks his purpose. He blurts out snacks and mischief. The river bursts into laughter. They enter a glittering maze, where mirrors warp their reflections. Reflections tempt them with gold and power. Honesty shatters the maze. At Zafaria's gate, they stop before Zafaria's vine-wrapped golden archway under a clear night sky. The man with no shadow waits beneath the arch, smiling faintly. Children, you are brave, he tempts. Promises spilling like honeyed blades. He offers Rayan endless games, and Aisha every book ever written. He promises the old man eternal youth with an effortless grin. Rayan's stomach growls. Biryani flashes through his imagination. Aisha steadies herself. The compass glows brighter in her palm. She whispers, he feeds on greed, and meets her brother's eyes. She hurls the compass upward, voice ringing with conviction. The compass erupts into a burst of blinding golden light. The guardian screams, then unravels like smoke without a shadow. Silence returns. Starlight and gold settle on the ancient gate. The crystal library. They step inside the gates, expecting glittering gold and diamonds. No treasure mounds, only crystal walls glimmering with soft daylight. Moti flutters forward, indignant at the missing treasure chests. Shelves of scrolls and books appear, carved into crystal caverns. Rayan leans in, marveling at maps from distant civilizations. Moti protests loudly. No diamonds, no chests, only paper. Cha-Cha-Ji's eyes well with tears at the sight of knowledge. This is the greatest treasure of all, knowledge to help the world. Rayan jokes that wisdom might save his math grades. Aisha hopes this knowledge makes the world kinder and wiser. They choose a few scrolls, leaving countless volumes preserved. They step away, packs light with scrolls, hearts heavy with purpose. Real treasure at home. Back home, ordinary sunlight paints a calm afternoon. He senses it quietly. He feels a little braver now. Aisha reads, thoughts sharper, patience steadier than before. Even Moti is quieter now, well, almost quiet. The doorbell rings. A neighbor strides in, full of swagger. Their neighbor boasts about keeping cash found on the road. Rayan answers simply, steady and clear as daylight. Real treasure is what you learn, share, and do honestly. The neighbor chuckles, brushing the words aside. Aisha leans in, whispering that understanding will come. Moti blurts out, humans learn slowly, maybe never. Laughter erupts, easy and warm in the afternoon light.